All right, so this is the instructions for today's worksheet. Basically, you're given some information. So for number 1, we're given the information that Sandra earns $13.50 an hour and works 32 hours. So the first thing we want to do is we want to figure out her gross pay, right? So what is her gross pay? And we can do that pretty simply by, it says it right there, hourly rate times hour worked. So we're going to do $13.50 times 32. And we get a gross pay of $432, right? So that's actually how much money she makes before they take out the deductions. Now we have a whole list of deductions down here. We have federal tax, we have Social Security, we have Medicare tax, we have state tax, and we also have a pension that Sandra's paying into. A pension is oftentimes like a retirement fund. It's a way to have a retirement fund. And it actually tells you like how to figure out what the federal tax is. You take 432 and you multiply it by 15%. You get 6480. 432 times 6.2% is 2678, etc., on down. I actually did these for you. We'll worry about calculating the percentages and taxes and stuff next week. This week, I just kind of want to have everybody figure out some of the other things on the timesheet, pay stub. All right, so we have to figure out the total deductions, and to do that, we just add all of these deductions together. So we add them together. What do we get when we add them together? We get $128.08. So now we want to figure out net pay. So right down here, here's your hint. Net pay equals the gross pay minus the deductions. So let's tap that into our calculator. 432, subtract 128.08, and we get $303.92. So Sandra earned $432 and she brought home $303.92 after paying federal tax, Social Security, Medicare tax, state tax, and putting money towards a pension. So basically, that's what the assignment is for today. You're going to be figuring out the net pay given some information. So, so that's it.